This chair belongs to a set that I got from my Aunt Grace, who was really closer, like a grandma to me. And I am going to redo the seat cover today. To take the seat off, all I have to do is unscrew all 4 of these. And I need a straight screwdriver. And we'll get that done. Now it's a process of taking this old material off. Now I don't think it's the original material because see these little marks where there was nails before? I would guess when it got recovered, the material wasn't quite as large. So I'm going to take all those off. I got all the tacks pulled out, and this is the cushion. It's interesting material. I think it's wool, actually. It almost looks like it's felted, but I'm not sure. I could be totally wrong about that. I talked to my mom because I wanted to know how old this bedroom set was, because we have the bed, a really tall dresser, a vanity with a round mirror, and this chair. And she thinks that my Aunt Grace bought it, her and her husband bought it during the war, World War II. Now this is the material I'm going to use on the chair, because I have these colors in that spare bedroom, and so I think it'll look real nice. And I'm going to use this one as a pattern. Now usually when I reupholster something, I just use staples. But because this is so old, I'm going to use the original tacks. Now it won't end up being exactly the same holes as the other, as it originally was, but it'll make it so it has as much original as possible. So I'm just going to go around. At first, I start with the 2 corners, and then I'll be folding it and tacking it down. Now I'm trying to do the corners, which are indented. They're cut to fit around. And so I'm trying to stretch it. Now I have found those little tacks to be so tiny. I have to use the pliers to grab hold of them. And so I pound with my left hand a little bit before I can actually pound with my right hand. I got all those tiny nails in there. Oh, it was craziness. But let's put it all together. So now I'm just screwing them into the base, and where it overlaps and there's material underneath, I did cut a little hole through the material so it made it easier for the screw to go in. It's all screwed in. The nice thing is it just pulls that material tight too, just an added protection. And I did put tape over top of the label just so that it would last for a long time. Because if they bought this in the war, World War II, it was probably 30s, 40s, and it's 2020 now, so it's probably 80 years old. So here it is. A job that's easy to do. So if you need to reupholster chairs, your kitchen chairs, know that it's an easy project, especially if you use a stapler instead of those tiny tack nails. But it's a great before after. Now some of you might be saying, she didn't center that. If you've watched very many of my videos, especially my artistic videos, you will know that that is certainly not me. But I love the colors. It will match the bedroom. And I'll show you the furniture that it goes with. So this is the tall dresser. It has 5 big drawers and then these little drawers. The stories it could tell. So my Aunt Grace and Uncle Willard had this. Then after she passed away, my mom had it. And they just had it in the spare bedroom. I'm not sure anybody ever even slept on the bed. When we got it, the mattress had a tag on it from 1958. This is just in our spare bedroom, so it has my typewriters and everything that I just keep. A little side dresser. So this is a footboard on the bed. And it's just a guest bedroom, so we just have tons of pillows, but it is a beautiful bedroom set. Even without the leaves. Joking. Well, this is Sandy at Apple Cottage. Always like, subscribe, share with the world, and I will see you next time.